Want better results from your Facebook ads without blowing your budget? Let's fix that in 90 seconds. Tip 1. Define one clear goal. Start with one objective, like website traffic, lead generation, or sales. Mixing goals in one ad confuses Facebook's algorithm and your audience. Tip 2. Nail your targeting. Use custom audiences to retarget visitors and lookalike audiences to reach new potential buyers who behave like your best customers. Don't guess. Use the data. Tip 3. Test creatives like crazy. Run A/B tests on your headlines, visuals, and CTAs. Even a small tweak can massively improve results. Remember, creative fatigue is real. Rotate your ads regularly. Tip 4. Use the Facebook Pixel. If you're not using the Facebook Pixel, you're flying blind. It tracks actions on your site and helps you retarget, optimize, and scale like a pro. Tip 5. Keep it mobile-friendly. Over 90% of Facebook users are on mobile, so keep your ad copy short, punchy, and make sure your images or videos pop on small screens.
Want more tips like this? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and start running smarter Facebook ads today.